Hi friends, hope you are doing well. I am Pramod. Today we will discuss about the center of gravity of a plane lamina and the center of gravity of a particular solid. So last lecture we discussed about the center of gravity of a arc of the curve. Okay. So today we will discuss about the center of gravity of a plane lamina. Center of gravity of a So this is the center of gravity of the plane lamina, that is let the plane lamina or the area bounded by the curve C, that is rho equals to mass per unit area and dm equals to rho into dA. So that you already told in the center of gravity of the particular arc. So dm equals to rho into dA, but in case of arc, dm equals to rho into ds. ds means the particular arc and dA matlab that is area. In case of plane lamina, you will find the area. So area means what? So based upon the plane lamina, x-axis and y-axis, dx and dy it will come. So let x bar comma y bar be the CG of the particular plane lamina. Then you will find the x bar and y bar. So what is the formula? X bar equal to x rho dA upon rho dA. So what is the value of dA? dx dy. So that is if the rho is a constant, if the value of rho equals to 1, just you will find x dx dy upon dx dy. So similarly y bar equals to y rho dA upon rho dA. If rho equals to 1, y dx dy upon dx dy. And also you can convert in the form of polar form by putting x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta and dx dy equal to r dr and d theta. So similarly you will find out the center of gravity of the particular solid. So x bar and y bar and z bar be the CG of the solid and dm equals rho into dv. In case of arc, rho into ds. In case of plane lamina, rho into dA. And in case of solid, rho into dv. So what is the value of dv? So dx, dy and dz. So similarly, you will find x bar, y bar and z bar. X rho dv upon rho dv. If rho equals to 1, then x dx, dy, dz upon dx, dy, dz. Okay. And x bar, y bar and z bar that you will find, and that you can, based upon the questions, we can convert in the form of spherical, cylindrical form, or we can able to solve. Find the x coordinate of CG of an area bounded by the parabola y square equals to x and the line x plus y equals to 2. So find the x coordinate. Matlab you will find only x bar. It is not required to calculate the x y bar. But if you will tell find the CG of an area bounded by the parabola, matlab what? You will find x bar and y bar. But here only to the x coordinate. Matlab you will only find the x bar. Okay. Let x bar and y bar be the CG of an area bounded by the parabola y square equals to x and the line x plus y equals to 2. Just you will do the diagram. Okay. So this is y square equals to x. This is the parabola. Okay. This is y square equals to x. So this is x-axis. This is y-axis. So now we will find the points of intersection. So this is y square equals to x. And what is the value of x is here? X equals to 2 minus 1. Just put the value of x in this equation. Okay. Y square equals to, this is 2 minus 1. That is y square plus y minus 2 equals to 0. So this is y square plus 2y to the factorization minus y minus 2 equals to 0. This is y will be common, y plus 2 minus 1 will be common and y plus 2 equals to 0. So this is y minus 1 and y plus 2 equals to 0. So y equals to 1 and y equals to minus 2. So just put the value of y equals to 1 and y equals to minus 2. Okay. Whenever y equals to 1, x equals to 1. Okay. So that is just put the value of y. That is, so if y equals to 1, then x equals to 1. if y equals to minus 2, if y equals to minus 2, then x equals to minus 2 का square 4. So what is the point x comma y? This is 1 comma 1, this is a point, and this is 4 comma minus 2, this is the point. Okay, 1 comma 1. So 1 comma 1, this is what? 1 and 1, this is 1 comma 1, 4. So this is 4 comma minus 2. So this is 4 comma minus 2. So just to correct the point, see this one. Okay. So this is okay. This is the origin. So first we will find the points of intersection. Then we will draw the line x plus y equals to 2. So now you will find the CG, that is the x bar. So what is the value of x bar? What is the formula? X rho dx dy upon dx dy, rho dx dy. But the value of rho it is not given. So hence x dx dy upon dx dy. So you will find out the double integration. Okay, so here x dx dy, if we will integrate with respect to, first we will find this value, thereafter we will find this value. So x dx dy, you will integrate with respect to x and you will integrate with respect to y. So here you will find the limit of x and the limit of y. So how to find the limit of x? So according to the strip, horizontal strips and vertical strips, according to the double integration, that you know very well how to find the limit of the particular integration. So if we will find the limit of x, you will draw the horizontal strips. You will draw the horizontal strips. Okay. So here you will find the value of x. So what is the value of ये कर्व में हमारा x का value क्या है? X equals to y square. In this curve में, so what is the equation of this? This is what x plus y equals to 2. So this is x plus y equals to 2. But what is the value of x? X equals to 2 minus y. So this is the limit. So what is the limit of x? X y square to 2 minus y. And what is the limit of y? The limit of y that you will take lower to upper. So what is the limit of y? This is minus 2 to 2. So now you will put the limit here. Now thereafter you will find the value of x bar. X bar equals to x dx dy upon dx dy. Just you will find the upper part. First you will find this part. Okay. So this is integration of x dx dy. First you will integrate with respect to x, and thereafter you will integrate with respect to y. Okay. Then you will put, if you will integrate with respect to x, you will draw the horizontal strips and you will find the limit. So what is the limit of x? This is y square to 2 minus y. So this is x square by 2 y square to 2 minus y into dy. So this is 1 by 2 take outside, and this is upper limit 2 minus y ka whole square minus y square ka square, this is y raised to 4, upper limit minus lower limit into dy. Now 1 by 2 integration of, what is the limit of y? Minus 2 to 1. So this is minus 2 to 1, minus 2 to 1. Okay. Yes. So what is the integration of 2 minus y? That is what? 2 minus y ka 3 upon minus 1, because y का कोफिशिएंट माइनस है, x रेज टू n मतलब x रेज टू n plus 1 upon this x रेज टू n plus 1 upon n plus 1. That is what 2 plus 1. This is 3, and this is y raised to 5 upon 5. Limit minus 2 to 1. Okay, so now this one you will simplify. 1 upon 2. Just to put the limit of 1. So this is what? 2 minus 1. 1 upon minus 3. Next, minus 1 upon 5. Just you put the limit of upper limit. 2 minus 1. 1 ka cube 1. 1 upon minus 3. And y raised to 5. 1 upon 5. That is what? This is upper limit. Minus lower limit. So this is what? 2 of minus of minus, so this is 4. So this is 4 cube upon minus 3 minus 2 raised to 5. This is minus upper limit minus 2 raised to 5 minus 2 raised to 5 upon 5. So now this one you will simplify 1 upon 2, and this is LCM is minus 15, and this is what? Divide minus 15 by 3, so this is 5, and this is 3. So this is minus 15. So just to take, this is minus is what in this part, okay? So this is what 15 by 3. This is what 5. 5 into minus 1. This is what minus 5. Yeah, that is. So this is 4. This is what 64. 64 upon 3. This is minus, to take this one, okay? And minus 2 raised to 5. That is 32. 32 minus 32, yeah, plus 32 upon 5. Okay. So this is 1 upon 2 minus 8 upon 15, and this is LCM is 15. LCM is 15 is what? 15 by 3, 5. 5 into 4, 20, and 5 6 are 30. 320. This is minus 320 plus 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. So this is this one. Okay. So this is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2 minus 8 by 15. Minus 8 by 15 is minus plus 320. LCM is 15, right? So that is LCM is 15. 15 minus 320, yeah, minus 96. So this is your final answer, okay? So this is 1 by 2. This is 320, and this is what 104, 86, 40, 9, 10 upon 150. So this is 1 by 2, and this is what 10 4 6. This is 8. 10 4. This is 1. This is 1, and this is 3. Minus what 216 upon 50. So this is 2 1s are 0, 2 8s are. So this is 108 upon 15. So this is 3 3s are 9, 3 6, 3 5. So 36 by 5. So in double integration of x dx dy equals to 36 upon 5. So now you will find double integration of dx dy. Then you will get the x bar. Okay. Now we will find integration of dx dy. This one, integration of dx dy. Okay. So integration of dx. So integration of dx, that is what? What is the limit of x? X equals to y square to x equals to 2 minus y. Then dy. What is the limit of y? Y equals to minus 2 to minus 1. So this is integration of x, that is what? X minus 2 to 1, x equals to y square to 2 minus y into dy. So this is minus 2 to 1, upper limit. So this is 2 minus y. What is the upper limit? 2 minus y minus y square into dy. So now you will find the integration of with respect to y. So this is 2 minus y 2 upon minus 2, and this is minus y cube upon 3 minus 2. This is the upper limit. Upper limit, this is 1. 2 minus 1. This is 1 upon 2, and this is minus 1 upon 3. Okay, upper limit minus lower limit. And what is the limit of y? Minus 2. Minus minus plus 2 plus 2 4. 4 square 16 by 2. 16 by minus 2. And again this is minus 2 का cube. minus 2 that is what minus 8 8 plus 8 by 3. Okay, so now this one you will simplify. So this is LCM is 6, this is minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 by 6, here minus minus plus 8, here minus 8 by 3. So this is what is the LCM? LCM is what? LCM is 6, this is minus 5, and this is 48, and this is minus 16. So equal to what? So minus 16 minus 5 minus 21. 48 minus 21 by 6. So equal to what? Equals to 48, 8 minus what? 7, 2. 27 by 6. 3, 9, 3, 2. So this is 9 by 2. So what is the value of dx dy? Integration of this is x dx dy, and this is dx dy equals to 9 by 2. Now what is the value of x bar? X bar equals to x dx dy. X dx dy, that is what? 36 by 5 upon dx dy equals to 9 by 2. So this is 36 by 5 into 2 by 9. 2 per 9, 9 into 4. So this is 8 by 4 to the 8, 8 by 5. So what is the, because according to question you will find the x bar only, it is not defined to calculate the y bar. So what is the value of x bar? X bar equals to 8 upon 5. So in this way, if it didn't mention regarding the x coordinate, similarly we can find the y coordinate also. So y bar equals to y dx dy upon dx dy. So similarly you can calculate also y bar also. Okay, thank you.